Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. If you are a chef wanting a flawless crust on your creme brulee, a craft hobbyist working on intricate projects, or a camper who needs a reliable fire starter that works in any weather, you are definitely looking for the best torch lighter. This powerful tool brings professional heat right into your hands. Let's get started. When you are busy in the kitchen or deep into a DIY project, managing a clumsy tool with both hands can ruin your precision. That is exactly where the Sondico Butane torch lighter steps in to streamline your work. This tool is engineered for effortless one-handed operation, placing a smooth flame regulator and a convenient flame lock button within easy reach of your thumb. This intuitive layout ensures you have absolute control over your heat source at all times, keeping one hand entirely free to manage your food safely. Monitoring your fuel levels is completely foolproof, saving you from running out of gas right in the middle of an important task. The Sondico Butane torch lighter comes equipped with a practical transparent fuel gauge located at the bottom of the handle. It features a clearly marked maximum line to prevent overfilling and boasts a 10-gram gas capacity. This reservoir supplies between 20 to 50 minutes of continuous flame use per refill, allowing you to breeze through multiple tasks without constant interruptions. To maximize convenience, refilling the unit is remarkably straightforward and universally compatible. The Sondico butane torch lighter works seamlessly with all popular brands of small butane canisters, allowing you to refill the base directly. For flexibility, the package includes a red adapter tip, making it easy to connect with gas tanks that feature longer nozzles. This ensures that you can quickly top off your fuel tank regardless of the specific butane brand you happen to have on your workshop shelf. Versatility is a massive highlight for this appliance, expanding its usefulness far beyond basic culinary applications. The Sondico Butane torch lighter is an asset for baking delicate pastries, sous vide cooking, searing thick steaks, and lighting up backyard barbecues. However, it proves equally valuable for physical crafting, fine jewelry making, soldering jobs, and outdoor camping trips. Utilizing piezo ignition technology, the unit fires up instantly and functions perfectly at absolutely any angle. The performance of this compact device is incredible, offering commercial-grade heat whenever you need it. The Sondico Butane torch lighter features an adjustable temperature regulator that lets you fine-tune the intensity of your flame, with temperatures reaching up to an impressive 1300 degrees Celsius. By pairing this intense heat output with its dedicated continuous flame mode, the torch delivers uncompromised consistency, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen counter or workshop space. Upgrade your culinary skills and bring extreme precision to your next DIY project today. Check the price link in the description to find out where you can get your hands on this amazing butane torch right now. Like and subscribe to Cool Product to stay updated on more high-performance tools and cool kitchen gear guides. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Work safely, enjoy your cooking, and I will see you all in the very next video. Goodbye, everyone.